Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwezuono, yeah. Welcome back to IGBOTIC channel. Thank you for your support. Over 800 subscribers. I didn't know that was possible. I was just like, hey. So I just want to say thank you. Dalunu ndi Igbo, dalunu rinne, ekene munu, dalunu rinne, ekene munu, for supporting this channel, for watching my videos, for giving a thumbs up, subscribing, encouraging. There's so many encouraging words in the comment section, and I just really want to say thank you, because that keeps me going, you know. For the love of Igbo language, let us speak this our language, because if we not speak am, who will speak it? Our topic today is parts of the body in Igbo language. Very interesting one, because obviously parts of your body. So let's dive right into it, guys. The first one we have is isi, head, isi, head, isi, head. Face, ihu, face, ihu. Your face is ihu. Show me your face. Gosim ihugi. Face, ihu. Brain is oboro, oboro, oboro. Brain. Eye is anya, anya, anya. Eyebrow is iku, anya, iku, anya, iku, anya. Your nose is imi, imi, imi. Your mouth is onu, onu, onu. Your tongue is ile. Some people say ile, some people say ire. It's just the dialect. Ear. Your ear is nti, nti. Your ear is nti, nti. Your hair is ntu tu isi, ntu tu isi. What? Ntu tu isi again. Ntutu isi, your hair. Sclera is anya ocha, this white part of your eye. Anya ocha, anya ocha. Your iris is anya oji, the dark part of the eye. Anya oji, that's your iris. Anya oji. Cornea is awuru anya, awuru anya. Cornea, awuru anya. Your cheek is nti, cheek is nti, nti. Remember I said your ear is nti, nti. Now your cheek is nti, nti. Agba, agba, agba is jaw. Agba. Your mouth is onu, onu. Your palate, the roof of your mouth is apo, apo. Your neck is olu, olu or onu, olu or onu, onu. Your neck. Show me your 32. Your teeth is eze, eze, eze. Your teeth is eze. Your lips is ebubere onu. Wait, let's take that again. Ebubele onu. Some people say ebubere onu. Some people say ebubele onu. That's your lip. Igbo language is sweet. It's sweet. Your throat is akpiri. Akpiri. Your throat is akpiri. So for those people that have long throat, they like to collect somebody's food all the time. That's why they call them long throat. Akpiri ogologo. Throat that is long. Your tonsil is aki akpiri. Tonsil is aki akpiri. That's your tonsil. Your upper jaw is agba elu. Agba elu or agba enu. And your lower jaw is agba ani. Agba ani. Upper jaw is agba enu. So now we come to the upper part of the body. Here too. Your chest is obi. Chest, obi. Chest, obi. That's why they say it with your chest. Say it with your obi. Choir with your obi. Say it with your chest. Your heart is mkpuru obi. Mkpuru obi. Your armpit is abu. Abu. Armpit is abu. Abu is armpit. Abu. Breast is ara. Your breast is ara. Some people say ala. Some people say ara. It's the same thing. Your nipple is onu ara or onu ala. Onu ara or onu ala. Your shoulder is ubu. Ubu. Your shoulder is ubu. Hand, your arm is aka. 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 That's why you hear that song. Aka aka ya. Aka Jehovah nemema. Orebube ya. Kene ruhari nebem no. You see, okay. So aka is hand. Your hand is your aka. Your elbow is nku. Aka. Elbow is nku. Aka. Elbow nku. Aka. Palm is oba aka. Your palm is oba aka. Some people say obe aka. I say oba aka. Show me your palm. This is my oba aka. Fingers. Your fingers is your mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka or mkpụrụ aka. Mkpịsị aka or mkpụrụ aka. Mkpịsị aka. Come on, mkpụrụ aka. Come on, mkpịsị aka. Mkpụrụ aka. Your nails is mbo aka. Your nails is mbo aka. Mbo aka. Some people say mvo aka. Mbo aka or mvo aka. Your thumb is isi mkpịsị aka. Isi mkpịsị aka. Isi mkpịsị aka is your thumb. So guys, what is your body? Your body is called anu ahu. Basically called ahu. So your body is ahu. Some people say in full anu ahu. But your body is ahu. Ahu. Anu ahu. The hair on your body is aji ahu. Aji ahu. Aji ahu. Your belly is afo. Your belly is afo. Rectum. Rectum is apa nsi. Apa nsi. Apa nsi. Your navel is otubere. Otubere. Some people say otubo. Your navel is otubo. Some people say otuboro or otubere. Otubo. I say otubo. Otubo. The liver is umeju. 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 It's your liver. Umeju. Good. Urinary bladder is apa mamiri. Apa mamiri. Literally translating the bag that carries your urine. Waist, uku. Waist, uku. Buttocks, ike. buttocks, ike, ike, waist, ukwu, thigh, apata, apata, thigh, apata, thigh, apata. Back, back, azụ, back, azụ, back, azụ. So moving on, your knee is ikpere. Knee is ikpere. Your knee is ikpere. Ikpere. What is your bone? Bone is ọkpụkpụ. Ọkpụkpụ. Your bone is ọkpụkpụ. Ọkpụkpụ is bone. Leg, ụkwụ. Leg, ụkwụ. I grew up saying ọkpa, so it's correct as well, but ụkwụ is the right thing to say. Ụkwụ is your leg, and your toes are mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ are your toes. Your leg is ụkwụ. Your toes mkpịsị ụkwụ. Your toenails mbọ ụkwụ or mvọ ụkwụ. Mbọ ụkwụ or mvọ ụkwụ. Penis, amụ. Penis, amụ. Amụ. Vagina, ọtụ. Ọtụ. So guys, that is it for parts of your body. It's actually very easy. I really want to encourage you to repeat this video, to watch it again, to repeat after me. You know, that will really help you as I pronounce it, to pronounce after. If we don't speak it, who's going to speak it? Nobody else. It's us that will speak it. It's us that will teach it to the future generations. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment. Tell me what you think and what you think I can improve. I'm open to, learning. Constructive criticism. No bashing. It's all love here. It's all for the love of Igbo language. So, kemecha kachifu. Mwah.